Hey everyone, let's be real, security cameras are lifesavers when it comes to protecting your home. But what happens when they stop working? Maybe your camera won't connect Wi-Fi or it's acting like it's on a coffee break. Don't worry, I got you covered. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your security camera and troubleshoot common issues, so you can get back to keeping your home safe and sound. First thing first, when you should even reset your camera? Well, here are a few scenarios. Power outages. Ever had your camera freak out after the lights go out? A reset can help it reconnect to your network. Connectivity issues. If your camera keeps dropping Wi-Fi like it's playing hard to get, a reset can fix that. Software glitches. Cameras are like tiny computers. They can freeze or act weird. Resetting clears out those bugs. Security concerns. If you think someone's tampered with your camera, resetting wipes the slate clean and gives you back control. And of course, if you are selling or reconfiguring your camera, a reset is a must to erase all your personal data. Alright, let's get into the how. Resetting a security camera is easier than you think. Here's a quick step-by-step. Find the reset button. It's usually a tiny recessed button on the back button or side of the camera. You might need a paper clip or pin to press it. Press and hold. Hold the button for 10 to 30 seconds. Check your camera's manual for the exact time. Wait for the reboot. The camera will power off and restart. You might see blinking lights or hear a chime. Don't panic, that's normal. Reconfigure the settings. Once it's reset, you will need to reconnect it to your Wi-Fi and set it up using the app or web interface. Test it out. Make sure everything's working. Check the live feed, recording and any other features. Now, if you are using a popular brand like eufy, the process is even simpler. Just press and hold the sync button on the back for 10 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. Easy, right? Plus, eufy cameras are known for their strong connectivity and clear video quality, so you are in good hands. Okay, so you have reset your camera, but something's still not right. Here are a few common issues and how to fix them. Wi-Fi won't connect. Double check your network settings and move the camera closer to the router. Camera won't power on. Check the power supply or batteries. Sometimes it's as simple as loose cable. Blurry video. Clean the lens and adjust the camera's angle. A reset can sometimes mess with the focus. Remote access issues. Make sure the camera is linked to your account and that remote access is enabled in the app. And there you have it. Resetting your security camera doesn't have to be a headache. Whether it's a power outage, a glitch, or just a fresh start. These steps will get your camera back on track. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what's the weirdest issue you have had with your security camera. Until next time, stay safe and stay secure.